Happy Friday everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market QQQ and SPY gapping down. September's jobs report is out, and the unemployment rate came in around 3.5%, which is down from the previous month. That would indicate whatever the Federal Reserve has been trying to do has not slowed down the job market. So I think today would be another sell-off day. Going into market open, I'm bearish and I'll be watching SPY for any potential put opportunities. We do have around 2 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. $10.50, pretty confident with that entry. I may look to add. I didn't get it. Didn't get it again. Selling one around 1280. Didn't get it. That's not good. May have to lock in some profit. I got out. High was around $13.59. I could not sell it. I was letting it run. Anyway, $200. I'll take it. $11.30 I got it. Anticipating a breakdown. Yep, out for now. $11.10 I got in. Breakdown for me. If it goes higher than this, I'll get out. Out for now. $10.30 I'm in. I think this should break down. Out. Failing to break down. 1190, I got in. Yep. That's the move I was looking. Now I'm going to just take some out. Perfect. Just getting out at 15. Take me out. Okay. That puts me up over another $500 on the day. Perfect trade. So, being a Friday, I don't want to overextend and give back my profits. A decent day of trading, making around $550 in 20 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.